And here's the final look of the birdhouse. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I want to be a bird. So I'm finished with decoupaging. Put a close up here. And it's also waterproof, so you could hang it outside. And I might put some brown inside. Yeah, I think I'm going to maybe put a green inside of a little heart. I'll think about it. But so here it is. There's a little birdie on top of the roof, the chimney. I love this print. I could do so much with this. And my favorite thing is to make coasters. But I think I'm going to use this print and make a jewelry box. And here we have a little birdie house. I think I'm going to buy me and make me one for my yard. I have a birdhouse outside. It's actually painted with my the Jamaican flag colors. So it was just like an experiment. So I just went ahead and put my my yellow, black, and gold represent my country, represent my island. But I really enjoy this one, and I'm gonna get me a different birdhouse and just continue making them. Hope you liked it.